Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your OnePlus Pad 3. So first, let's unlock the tablet. Now, what we can do first is to remove any screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference. So as you guys can see now, I don't have a case on me. And I do not have the screen protector, and that basically means this cannot be the issue for me. But if you do have one of those things, then it might be causing the issue of your touchscreen becoming less responsive. So for the next step, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. It can actually help. As you guys can see, we just need to give it a few good wipes, and oops, it moved. Okay, it doesn't matter if it moved, I'll just put it back. So here, as you guys can see, we have our tablet. Now it's clean and ready to go. Now what we can do is we can restart the tablet to basically refresh the system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. You can click them once and then scroll all the way up to the restart. Now what you guys can do is just wait for your tablet to turn back on, so I'll see you go once my tablet is ready to use. After restarting the tablet, if the issue still persists on your device, then go over to settings and try and see if you run the latest version of your software. So scroll all the way down until you guys see System and Update. Now click on Software Update. And here make sure that you're running the latest version of the OxygenOS. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.